Sounds good for a little 310s.
Yeah, dude. Can I see the back real quick with some Subflex, if that's all right?
You want the trunk open or closed?
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey man, could you tell me your name and what all's in here first?
Alright, my name's Mike. I got just three Sundown SAs running off a 2200 watt SoundCube amp, 0 gauge. I got, those are just stock speakers. I got 4 6.5 Frost Gates, P1s, just running all off of the head unit. I need more power.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Mike's system. This was at the Virginia show, Team Deadly Hirsch in 2021. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Looking forward to showing y'all the bass demo. So I really like the way he has the style of his box layout. The port is at the bottom back, facing back. You have a beauty panel here. You can see into the magnets of the sub. And he optimized his space to fit the cone right below the top of the trunk. These subwoofers, I'm pretty sure they're rated at 750 watts RMS, the SA series from Sundown. And he has them ran on this SoundCube 2200. I'm going to say it's at 0.7 ohm, either 0.7 or 1.3. I didn't get the impedance of it, but that's the two options he most likely has ran it to on a single 80 to 100 amp hour AGM battery, probably a stock electrical system, and he said he was still working on some improvements on it. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. Got a good bit of subwoofer flex you're going to see in the back of the truck when it opened, and some outside flex after the demo inside. Enjoy.
Let's play some of this.
Making massive shaking windshields bright.
Sounds good for a little 310.
Yeah, dude. Can I see the back real quick with some Subflex, if that's all right?
You want the trunk open or closed?
Open. She already got the outside. Just the outside with Subflex. You're good? Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.